Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you add camera to desktop on your Meitu app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, we just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on general here. You just click here on general. It's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then just keep going down. You click here on add camera to desktop here. So then you click here on add. Then automatically here it's going to add to home screen when you click here on add on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.